I said, what's up? It's Kavon. I'm back with a reaction. I said, what's up? It's Kavon. I'm back with a reaction. Let's go.
Be a part of my dynasty. So be a part of my dynasty.
So what is up, Formwork gang? It's your boy Kavon Dynasty, and yes, I am back with another reaction video, as you can tell by the title. So if you guys want to be a part of my dynasty, make sure to subscribe down below, smash that thumbs up button, give this video a big like for coming back with another reaction. We got more videos coming out soon. And hey, YouTube is not letting you guys know when I post. So for you to know when I post, click the bell. Click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And you know what it is, Formwork gang, we back with another reaction. I'm going out to Sweden. So we're gonna be checking out some Swedish rap music. Sweden, what's going on over there? What's happening? I gotta see what's crack-a-lacking over there in Sweden. So I hope this music is good. Let's see what Sweden has to say about this rap game. So you guys already know how I do this. I'm gonna put their name down below. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna try to pronounce it. If I get it wrong, sorry. But again, I will list the name down below. So the first artist we're gonna do, the first artist is gonna see if they're putting it on for Sweden is Yasin the Don. Again, if I say it wrong, I'm so sorry. Again, I'm gonna have it down below. But his name is Yasin the Don, and the song's called Chicago. Now you got bare views on this, so let's see if this is a hype one.
Jag fire in the backseat med en Glock 19 förlängd mag. De kollar in i mina ögon sen de säger till mig att jag har förändrats. Om vi skjuter via mål, brytt, så det är bäst att ni är snabbt tänkta. Jag är vi skyttekungar, nästa år vi spelar allsvenskan. Jag på i mitt garage, pulla på via kalas. Sluta upp med din fasad, vi skickar upp det till alla.
Yo, alright, this song's actually starting off pretty lit, guy. Yo, he's actually coming in hard. I'm actually liking it. Yo, okay, is this what Sweden's saying? Yo, Swedish rappers, is this what you're saying right now? Yo, we're off to a good start still, but let's get back into it.
Det är i Chicago, allting snurrar, hjärnan känns som en tornado. Känns som slutet memorera mina vanor. De kan inte se mig ha det bra, inget nytt, jag är van. Hey, alla hatar på det dagen, pratar fel och du är gone. Hey, de kan inte se mig ha det bra, inget nytt, jag är van. Hey.
Yeah, honestly, yo, I'm really feeling this right now. Oh, shoot. So you know I'm gonna be rating this track, so you know how I rate my songs. So you already know if it gets a 5 out of 5, that means you bumping it in the form of Whip Alive. You know what I'm saying? Alright, yo, this song's coming in hard though. Okay, let's keep listening.
Hey, programmerat sens barn, gatubarn sens barn. Hey, de kan inte se mig ha det bra, de kan inte se mig ha det bra. Monopol, investera var snål. Pengar kommer, pengar går, pengar kommer där går. Alla vet jag kan min sak, jag förbereder nästa hak. Om jag sitter i en bil, minst 2 Glocks där bak. orörd.
Yo, the song's fire. Song's fire. We're off to a lit start. Yo, Sweden, this is what you guys been saying out here, huh? This is what you guys been saying, okay. Alright, so you can tell by the way that I'm actually reacting right now that you know I think the song is hype. So, yo, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. We doing it, that's lit. Alright, so let's check the second artist. Second artist has a lot to come up with, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't have the first song be lit, the second song be trash. It gotta be all lit. So Sweden, where you at? Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple bars myself, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so the next song I'm gonna be doing, this guy's name is Snowvit. Again, I'm leaving it down below as you know. But the song's called Snowvit Gummo Remix. So let's check this song out. Now, before I get to this song, I heard a lot of people rave about this track right here that I'm about to play. So let's see what it do then.
Fixat Siggia, kör i 190. Är din sen han förmördat dig jag skyldiga.
Hold on. Yo, hold on. Before I even get into it, man, guy. Okay, I think this one's gonna be a tough one.
Välkommen till Swedbank.
Som en finne mannen är du seriös. Ville du starta?
Yo! Do I even need to listen to any more? Man!
Starta ser på avstånd, du kan kalla det mitt hår. Vill smycke på min kropp och marken frys.
He goes hard. He goes hard. Listen, man, this guy goes hard. I might have to download this track. What's his name? Snowvit? Yo, I might have to download this, man. Whoo, this guy goes hard. I'm feeling it, yo. This is a song I can bump in my foreign, especially how he starts off with no beat, spitting hard, and the beat drops. Man.
Så där jag går, ner i Malmö var i påsen, mecka upp den varje dag. Jag får blacka och dra till backen, sen gå hem och käka mat. Ut med boysen, ringer hem till någon, säger vi kommer snart. Upp med basen, höj volymen, sänker när vi knullat klart. Kommer sutra namaste, börja bända allt jag ser.
Bang, 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 bang. Yo, fam, it's a track. Not only is it a track, but it's a track thing. Oh my gosh, man. Yo, I don't think I need to listen anymore, but just for you guys, I'm gonna listen to a little bit more. 5 out of 5 on that, man. Like 5 out of 5 on that bit. Like real talk. Oh man, no cap.
Resten pratar bakom ryggen, men vem fan är dom? Snövit gör en remix, nu så lyssnar de på oss. Innan var vi kära, nu så har vi börjat slåss. Fixat sticky, ja, kör i 190, ja. I din säng.
Yo, when that crowd comes in and they say that piece, I don't even know what they're saying, but I'm with them, bro. Like, I don't even know what they're saying, and I'm still with them. 5 out of 5. Next artist, next artist, man. Next artist. Listen here, yo. The third artist is trash, man. Yo, I think we're gonna have a problem here because right now we're on a 5 out of 5 type of bass at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Like 5 out of 5 at the moment. Alright guys, so the next track that we're gonna do, the next artist that we're gonna listen to, his name is Lani Mo, and the song is called Nu Dom Titar. So let's check this song out, and yo, listen, Lani Mo. We need this song to be I mean, you can tell the first 2 tracks were fire. I need this one to be fire. Let's take a look. Alright, so we're on a different vibe right now, but yo, the song's actually pretty lit. Like the beginning part, you know I haven't gotten into it yet, so don't be saying in the comments, yo, you didn't even look at the good song yet, bro. You guys aren't saying this yet. Yo, listen, the beginning of the track is lit. It's lit. You want me to do? I like the vibes of it, you know, some for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, we gotta have tracks for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, a song that you have to play when you wanna walk up to a gal, you know, just
Folk de hatar på mig som måndag, men de vet jag het som det sommar. Mina varor får det jag domnar. K27 är inte något normalt. Vem är med mig, vem är inte? Vem är äkta, vem har fyllt det?
Yeah, man, you know, honestly, the song I could vibe to at nighttime, you know, just vibe and just relax with the, you know, with my girl and just, you know, just ski with it, you know, hand on her thigh, you know, driving in the whip, feeling alive in the sky, you know. That's so stupid. Nah, but the track goes hard though. I'm feeling the vibes of this. Definitely a different vibe than the first 2 songs for sure. But at least it's not trash. You know what I'm saying? Like this song's actually lit. Yeah, man, honestly, yo, the track is fire, man. The track goes hard. I respect the song so much, man. Like, tita, tita, whoo. Yo, honestly, okay, yo, Sweden, man, you guys are doing your thing, man. Honestly, you guys are really doing your thing. Like, Sweden, like, man, I don't know what to say. Like, you know, the first song got 5 out of 5. The second song is gonna get 5 out of 5. This song is gonna get 5 out of 5. So I don't even know what to like. I don't even know what to say right now, man. But yeah, I rate this track 5 out of 5, 100%. So the last artist I'm doing, his name is K27. The song is called Robbery. Again, I'm gonna leave it down below. And it's featuring Drilo. So yo, let's check this song out. Again, K27. The first 3 tracks for fire. I need this to be a desire. To be the #1 song on the heart.
Stick up, it's a robbery. Bitch nigga, it's a robbery. Yo, pass bara faller ner. Så vi blir rika så polare. Och vi lever som på filmer. De älskar det vita ingen vinter. Ring med det man är snabbt ringlen. För det kanske.
Man, this guy can really flow with the beat, man. I like how his song, like his songs are pretty nice, you know what I mean? Like, it's nice and mellow, but you can vibe with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can just chill out, summertime track, you're in a convertible, skirting down the lanes, you know what I'm saying? And your shorty right beside you. That's what this song kind of brings to me, you know what I mean? Like, that brings that type of life into me. Now, I don't know about y'all. Y'all can leave that in the comments down below how you feel, but this song's pretty dope, man. I kind of like how K27 really sings this track.
När hela fucking tiden hon fastnar på 27 saura. Jag tar det lite launa. Backa. Jag kastar alla de här rapparna. De lever på noll fakta.
Yeah, nice chill vibe song, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's nothing amped, you know, nothing amped up, you know what I'm saying? It's just a nice chill track, you know what I'm saying? We just want to chill, you know, with the shorty, just play a little tune, you know, drink some, you know, whatever you want to drink. Alright, but I want to fast forward to Dre's part, I actually want to hear all these spits and stuff.
Jag och min bror på ett beat, det tamam. Klart det blir tungt, robbery med en bram. Typ alla fan säger oui, show madame. Och alltid när hon festar, hon snortar 10 gram. Man är det rån, vilka boysen är på. Vadå 1 mille, jag tänker 42. Vi ligger i Grand Hotel en hel månad.
Alright, yo, he did a good job. He laid down the verse, he's flowing with the beat. Yo, they're flowing with the beat perfectly. I don't know what it is with y'all Swedish rappers, man, but y'all be flowing on that thing like butter. Like, it's just like, just, you know, marinate that shit. I'm gonna give that song a strong 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I'm actually really impressed with Sweden. Like, I really am. Like, I didn't think the songs were gonna be ass or anything like that. I just didn't think it would be as turned as it was. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't think they'd be coming with that flow, but they came with it, and it came hard. So honestly, 4 out of 5 for the last song. These are strong numbers, strong contender songs. Leave more comments down below about what songs to react to for part 2. This is part 1. Yo, part 2 coming soon. What you mean, boy? Man, you know what it is, Phone Whip Gang. If you want to be a part of my dynasty, make sure to subscribe and click that thumbs up button. Give this video a like for me, man. Do your boy a favor, give me a like. If you don't like, I don't know why, because I come with content. You don't like, I don't post content. You know what I'm saying? But you know what it is, click the bell, because YouTube ain't letting you guys know when I post. So if you want to know when I post, you want to stay up with more reactions and more videos, click the bell, notify yourself. Let me post, let you be notified. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's there. Click that. But you know what it is, Phone Whip Gang. More videos coming soon. Be a part of my